Hey friends, so in this video tutorial we are going to see how to check internet connectivity in Flutter. So you can see I have dummy app. Let's remove all this and then import material dot dot. Let's make a main function void main, then run app. Let's say my app. Okay, that's it. Let's create my app widget, stateful widget, call it my app, and let's return material app with this one, and in here home, let's call it scaffold and scaffold body, and in body let's give a container. Cool. So let's do hot reload. Oops, okay, I have not given the app bar. Let's give it a app bar, and then title, and in title give it text, and text is connectivity. Okay, save it, connectivity. So this is just a basic app. Now we will be checking the internet connection in my bar. So first let's create a boolean is internet equal to true. Let's call true. Okay, that we have internet. Now import .io input output. Cool. Now let's create a method get check internet and call it as sync. Yeah. So in here what we're going to do, first let's try, and then here a try block must be followed by an on catch final. Don't worry man, we'll be giving something to it. Okay, so let's get final. We'll check that later. Okay, don't worry about this, we'll check that later. First let's complete the part. Call it final, call it response equal to await, and internet address dot lookup. Now here we have to give the URL which we are about to test, that if this URL is working or not. So you can give here google.com, but I don't recommend it because in some countries like China, Google don't work. So it's better to use example.com. you can use Google as well, but in China Google don't work, so it's better to give example.com. so what it will do, the response will test that is this URL is working or not. Okay, so next, if response dot is not empty, is not empty, and result, oops, sorry, we have response. If response 0 dot raw address dot is not empty. Okay, if response is not empty, this one, and response 0 raw data, which we are getting the data from this response, is not empty, then we will say that something like boolean, sorry, like is internet equal to true. Cool. So we have completed our try. Now here's try now on. Okay, this error has gone because try needs something to like catch if any exception has arrived. So on socket exception, yeah, this one, socket exceptions. If we have a socket exception, then catch the error. Let's give it something empty and catch. Now in here we have to make is internet false. Okay, false, and that's it. So this method will give us is there internet connectivity or not. Let me say something, internet, and here let's call it no internet. Cool. So factor it, the variable is not used, don't worry. So let me check once more, check internet. Okay, yeah, cool, that's great. Okay, yeah, we have completed it. Now in the init method, init, okay, let's call this check internet, call this check internet. So what it will do, at the very start of the application, it will check for the internet connection. Now let me show you how. So in body, let's give it a in body, let's give it a child center, sorry, child center, then again a child, call it text, say internet, just say we have internet connection. Cool. So now we will be using this is internet boolean here. If is internet is true, or you can write it like this, okay, but I think this is enough. If is internet connection, then we have internet, else just copy it, paste it here, and oops, we don't have internet connection. Oops, we don't, sorry about that. Oops, just let's call it you, not we. You don't have, let's call it you have internet connection. Let's hot reload it. Boom. Oops, yeah, you have internet connection. Okay, so yes, we do have internet connection. You can check here, and let's give some style. Style, text, style, and then font weight. Just for is a font weight for font weight dot bold, and the font size is, let's give it maybe 25. It's cool. Refactor, just copy this thing from here to here and paste it here. Now oops, something went wrong. Paste it here, and oh man, what do I have missed? I don't know. Text center, what the hell, man? Okay, cool. Refactor, save it. Yeah, now you can see that we have internet connection. Let's turn on internet Wi-Fi and data. Now again, hot reload, and let the hot reload complete. Sorry, hot restart. Syncing device file, and oops, what, something went wrong. Let's save it. Oops, you don't have internet connection. Cool. Again, let's hot restart one more time. Check internet. Oh man, I have forgot to make the set state. Okay, that's why I was getting some not, that's why it's not working good. Now it will work awesome. Now let's again hot restart, and yeah, done. Let's again turn on the internet, and we have internet connectivity. Again, just save, just hot reload it, and nothing happened. I don't know why. Again, okay, we have to hot restart it again, and we have internet connection. Now it's not working very well, so let's create a button here. Let's give it a column center, and after center let's give a flat button, and on pressed let's give it check internet, remove it, and child, maybe text. It's like something maybe like send message. Okay, let's save it. And flat button is not doing great. Color, give it colors dot blue and save it. Now we have color, and main axis alignment does center. Boom. Okay, so let's give it a margin, not center. Let's color space around, space evenly, and boom. Yeah, so at the very point when we will send the message, it will check the internet connectivity, send the message, internet connectivity has checked. And if we turn off the internet again, send message, oops, you don't have internet connection. Okay, so finally we have done that. And if you again restart the internet and press the send message, it's not looking great. Let's do the send. Yeah, now again send message, you have internet connection and message is going to be sent. Message will be sent. That's great. So this way we can check internet connectivity. So I have shown you the easiest way possible how to check internet connectivity in any Flutter project. It's like you are making a blog, a messaging app, or anything. This way you can handle your internet internet connectivity check. So thank you guys for watching my video. Thank you so much.